No, of course not. That's not a lazy river. But don't worry, you're definitely going to want to stay and see all that this relaxing water area has to offer you at the Signia by Hilton in Orlando, Florida, next on Disney for Adults.
Welcome to Nancy and Dan Travel. I am Nancy. When it comes to travel, Dan and I focus on relaxing and memorable vacations for adults and multi-generational families. We publish weekly videos mainly showcasing adult vacations to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and cruising. As you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us on our relaxing travel adventures.
I was staying at the Waldorf Astoria, Orlando, which is literally joined to the Signia by Hilton through a shared walkway and convention area. So, I'll place the next couple of minutes on this video on fast forward to reduce the video's length, yet I wanted you to see how you can walk from the Waldorf Astoria to the lazy river and pool area of the Signia by Hilton. Guests staying at the Waldorf Astoria have not only full access to Signia by Hilton's water playground, but can also charge their meals and drinks, etc. at Signia's bar and restaurant to their room at the Waldorf Astoria. I was told by the front desk that there is a free shuttle between the two resorts, yet I preferred to walk to get some exercise. No, that's not free coffee and breakfast for you. At the time I was there were a couple of conferences, one at the Waldorf Astoria and one at the Signia by Hilton. Notice the same 7 a.m. opening time here, just like the pool area at the Waldorf Astoria. As soon as you enter, the lazy river is right there in front of you. I'm going to provide a full POV tour of the entire area, and it's quite interesting with the lazy river, the kids areas, the pool, the cabanas, and more. Let's go around the outside of the area, and then we'll go over one or two of the mini bridges to get a good perspective. That is a large pool indeed. I like the palm trees by the pool a lot. Not as many as were at the Waldorf Astoria's pool, yet very pretty nonetheless. Here's the poolside restaurant and bar, of course. Another fire pit and cushioned seating area. Lots of loungers and nice trees providing some shade as well. Here are Signia by Hilton's cabanas for rent. What's a lazy river without a few streams of water among friends? The bridges give a real pretty view of, dare I say, the water park and of the lazy river. And here is a continuation of the lazy river as it turns into an extension of the pool we saw earlier. There's the fun pool for tiny humans that we saw in the opening. Even more loungers and a few umbrellas. Notice the zero entry area for this part of the pool. yet another in-ground hot tub and spa for the adults. I hope this review of Signia by Hilton Orlando's Lazy River helps you with your planning of your Walt Disney World vacation. If you have been to this hotel or the Waldorf Astoria and have spent time here in the Lazy River area, did you like it? What did you like about it? Leave us a comment and let us know.
Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and see you next time.